Hello everyone, today we discuss about number. There are two types of number. One, singular number, two, plural number. Let's see what is singular number and what is plural number. A singular number is a number that refers to one member or single entity or quantity. And the plural number is number that refers to many members or many quantity. Example: a pen, singular number; 5 pens, plural number; an apple, singular number; 2 apples, plural number; a cat, singular number; 2 cats, plural number; a dog, singular number; 3 dogs, plural number; a fish, singular number; many fishes, plural number; a fox, singular number; 3 foxes, plural number; a horse, singular number; 2 horses, plural number. Changing number, singular to plural. Cat, cats; book, books; pen, pens; boy, boys; girl, girls; bus, buses; fish, fishes; fox, foxes; box, boxes; horse, horses; baby, babies; army, armies; fly, flies; guilty, guilties; knife, knives; thief, thieves; wife, wives; man, men; women, women; child, children.